Hello po sa inyong lahat mga ka-crypto. Ako po si Pinoy Crypto Trader at sa video na ito ay atin pong pag-uusapan ang tungkol dito kay Bitcoin. Kung saan ang sabi po rito ay Rich Dad Poor Dad author sees Bitcoin price at $100,000. Kaya yan, ang sikat na author po ng Rich Dad Poor Dad ay walang iba kundi si Ginoong Robert Kiyosaki. At ayon po sa kanyang pananaw ay nakikita daw po niya itong si Bitcoin na aakyatin daw po niya ang presyong $100,000 sa hinaharap. At ayan, atin pong aalamin yung kanyang karagdagang ibinigay na pahayag. Pero bago po tayo magpatuloy, ay nais ko lamang po munang bigyang linaw ang aking disclaimer kung saan ang nilalaman po ng video na ito ay hindi po ito isang financial advice. For education and information purposes lamang po ang layunin nito. Maliban po dito ay nais ko na rin pong magbigay babala na wala pong kahit anumang group chat ang Pinoy Crypto Trader. Ayan, Rich Dad Poor Dad author Robert Kiyosaki has issued a major price target for Bitcoin, projecting a $100,000 by the middle of the year. Kaya yan, ayon po kay Ginoong Robert Kiyosaki ay magagawa daw pong akyatin ni Bitcoin ang presyong $100,000 pagsapit po ng kalagitnaan ng taong ito. Known as a major advocate of Bitcoin, Robert Kiyosaki recently revealed on X that the price of Bitcoin is poised to touch $100,000 by June this year. This forecast is the latest prediction from the iconic author, whose target for Bitcoin has changed in different ways over the past few months. Kaya yan nga, natatandaan ko nga na yung kanyang prediction ay $150,000. Ngayon ay pinalitan na po niya ng $100,000 at magagawa na po itong akyatin ni Bitcoin pagsapit po ng buwan ng June mismo sa taong ito. Ayan. Yan po yung aktual na tweet ni Ginoong Robert Kiyosaki. Bitcoin to $100,000 by June 2024. For the price of Bitcoin to surge toward the $100,000 price mark, it will have to grow as high as 92.2% from its current level of $52,013. High as this target is, the Rich Dad Poor Dad author is convinced his forecast is imminent. Yan, malaki raw po yung pagtitiwala ni Ginoong Robert Kiyosaki na ang kanyang forecast na ito or kanyang prediction dito ay nalalapit na. Ayan. Bitcoin as hedge against inflation. One of the most important arguments often tendered by Robert Kiyosaki in support of Bitcoin's growth potential is the coin's immunity against macroeconomic uncertainties. Kiyosaki has always been calling attention to the impending stock market, banking, and broader global crisis. He often advises his millions of followers to take cover in assets that have probably sustained fundamentals. While he advocates for real estate, gold, and silver, Bitcoin also features prominently on his list of preferred assets. The advocacy for Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation also stems from the coin's 21 million token supply cap. This cap supply is further complemented by the deflationary model adopted in its emissions through the halving event. This halving leads to a 50% slash in the rate of Bitcoin emissions through mining, further creating a supply shock that can lead to an increase in price if the market sustains demand. Kaya ayan po yung laging sinasabi rito ni Ginoong Robert Kiyosaki ay ang pinakamaganda raw pong panglaban sa mga inflation ay yan yung gold, silver at saka itong si Bitcoin. Kaya ayan. Spot Bitcoin ETF influence. Since the United States Securities and Exchange Commission approved the Spot Bitcoin ETF offering from BlackRock, Fidelity Investment, Grayscale Investments, and others, there has been an extensive accumulation of the top cryptocurrency. This demand channel and the reduced supply have contributed to the confidence in Robert Kiyosaki's forecast, which is generally more modest than other predictions, which ran as high as $200,000 before the April halving event. Kaya yan po. Ito po yung pinakamataas na prediction ni Ginoong Robert Kiyosaki. Nasa $200,000. Tapos binaba po niya ng $150,000. At ngayon naman ay nasa $100,000 na. Kaya ayan, yan pong muli ang tungkol dito sa inilabas na prediction ni Ginoong Robert Kiyosaki. Pagsapit daw po ng June 2024 ay aakyatin ni Bitcoin ang presyong $100,000. At ayun, hanggang dito na lamang po tayo sa video na ito. Sana po ay inyong nagustuhan ang aking paliwanag dito. Kung inyo po itong nagustuhan ay pakiclick lamang po ang like button nito. Para naman po sa mga bago lamang dito, kayo po ay aking inaanyayahan para mag-subscribe. Pakiclick na rin po ang bell icon nito dahil ito po ang siya magsisilbing notification nito sa mga bago kong videos na aking pong ina-upload sa aking YouTube channel na ito. Marami pong salamat sa panunood, ingat po tayo lagi at God bless po sa ating lahat.